Chapter 6. Tribal Communities of India. Naga tribes and Jhum cultivation. The Naga tribes practice shifting cultivation, also called Jhum cultivation. In this method, a piece of land is cleared, used for farming, and then left to recover. It helps in growing crops like rice, millet, and vegetables. This farming method is common in hilly areas of northeast India. Banjara tribe of Rajasthan. The Banjara tribe is a nomadic group known for their colorful lifestyle. They are famous for performing acrobatic and juggling acts. Banjaras also engage in trade, cattle rearing, and handicrafts. Their bright dresses and jewelry reflect their rich cultural heritage. Kalbelia dance of Rajasthan. Kalbelia dance is performed by the Kalbelia tribe of Rajasthan. It is known for its fast moves, graceful twirls, and snake-like dance steps. Dancers wear black dresses decorated with colorful embroidery and mirrors. This dance is recognized as an important part of India's cultural heritage. Santhal tribe and terracotta horses. The Santhal tribe of Odisha is famous for making terracotta horses. These handmade clay horses are beautifully crafted and used in rituals. They are often placed in temples and villages as offerings to gods. Santhals are also skilled in music, dance, and farming. Tharu tribe of Uttar Pradesh. The Tharu tribe is the largest tribal community in Uttar Pradesh. They live near forests and practice farming and fishing. Tharu people have a rich culture with unique festivals and folk dances. They are known for their close connection with nature and wildlife. Kuki tribe of Manipur. The Kuki tribe is an indigenous group living in Manipur. They have their own language, traditions, and festivals. Kuki people are skilled in weaving, hunting, and farming. Their famous festival, Kut, celebrates the harvest season. Lampo tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. The Lampo tribe is found in the northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh. They live in remote forested areas and follow traditional customs. Their culture includes unique dances, songs, and traditional dress. Lampo people depend on nature for their food and livelihood. Garo, Khasi, and Jantia tribes of Meghalaya. Meghalaya is home to the Garo, Khasi, and Jantia tribes. They have a matrilineal society where family names come from the mother. These tribes celebrate festivals like Nongkrem and Behadiyankalam. They are known for their traditional bamboo houses and music. Gond tribe of Madhya Pradesh. The Gond tribe is the largest tribal group in Madhya Pradesh. They are famous for their unique Gond paintings, made with bright colors. Gonds live in forests and practice agriculture, hunting, and fishing. Their traditional dance and music are important parts of their culture. Bhil tribe largest in India. The Bhil tribe is the largest tribal community in India. They mainly live in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Bhils are skilled archers and were known as warriors in history. They celebrate the Bhagoria festival, where young people choose their life partners. Fun fact: according to 2011 census, Madhya Pradesh has the largest population of scheduled tribes.